Welcome to DeFi Crypto today. Our topic today is soldier nodes. Yes, another node copy of, I guess, Strong Node was the original. Still not sure why they call them nodes, but whatever. So, this is a new project. It's on Avalanche. The concept is to make it a play to earn node. Maybe it's going to get to that level at some point, but it's not there yet. So, word of caution right from the get go, this is as risky as it gets. Brand new project. As you can see, they start talking about it on December 10th. Very small. And there are no audits, no docs, dev, no KYC, nothing, and no multi-sig. Okay. Any kind of security measure doesn't exist there. As far as I can tell, I searched on the Discord and I haven't seen a trace of it. So be warned before you decide to play with this. And if you think you want to play with it, use money that you don't care if you lose or not. Okay? Be warned. All right, so let's have a quick look at it. The idea is they're going to use, it's inspired by a Ring. The project is inspired by Ring and Strong. It's based on the Avalanche network. Okay, so you need your MetaMask to be set up for Avalanche to do this, and you need to have sufficient AVAX tokens in your wallet. You need AVAX tokens in your wallet to make this work. All right. So now the token are called soldiers. The acronym is actually SDR. Well, we're going to see the real one. Okay. And you need 10 soldier tokens to purchase what they call an army. Eventually, we're supposed to get an NFT for this army thing. And eventually, you're supposed to be able to use the NFT to play a game coming soon, apparently, trademark. So I don't know what soon means. Could mean next year, could mean in the next 6 months. I have no idea. Now, this is no longer true here. One army gives you one soldier per day. The earnings have been cut in half. There has been a vote, and I'll show that to you in a moment on their Discord. Okay, people wanted to make the project more sustainable, so they decided to cut the rewards in half. So be aware of that before you decide to buy this or not. It's going to take longer to get your money back. Because, again, when you buy an army, see, notice it says purchase. Okay, you're purchasing an army. So you're giving away these 10 soldier tokens. You're not getting them back. Okay, ring projects are all like that. You have to give away a certain number of tokens, typically 10 tokens, to purchase a node. And here they call the node an army. And that node or army is going to give you a certain amount of return. In this case, it's going to be 0.5 soldier per day because they changed the amount. Okay, so you're not getting back those 10 soldier tokens that you give away to create the army. Remember that. In the future, you might be getting an NFT for that army, though. Maybe. Okay, it's not done yet. The project is very, very, very young and very, very, very risky. Okay, be conscious of this. Okay, big fat warning here. All right. So, all right. You can read those details. They're not that impressive, except that of the 10 soldier tokens that you use to purchase an army, 7 go to the reward pool, 1 goes to the LP on TraderJoe. So at least it's going to earn a little bit of swap fees on TraderJoe. The rest, I don't know how they're investing it. I haven't seen the details of that yet. Hopefully they're investing it to earn something. Otherwise, I don't know how the project is going to sustain itself. And 2 tokens go to the team and they go party with champagne with it. Or maybe because it's soldier, maybe they buy guns with it. I don't know what they do. Okay, so it says for future events, airdrops to noders, contests, token buybacks, and champagne and guns and whatnot. Okay, so when it goes to the team wallet, you're not getting those back unless the team decides to give you back something. Be aware of that, okay, before you buy anything. All right, so they want to become cross-chain, okay, blah, blah, blah. So maybe that's going to happen or not, I don't know. Final objective, they want to make this into a risk-like game. Now, emphasis on risk, okay? And they have a link to show you what a risk game is. So basically, I don't know if I've never played this, but it's kind of a strategy, war, politics, diplomacy game. Anyway, that's what risk is supposed to be looking like. And you got these little cards, and I don't know what these things are. I guess army camps, maybe. And it's called Risk. So you can see the name here as well. So what does this mean? It's risky. Keep that in mind, okay? There's no guarantee of anything here. None whatsoever. Super, super duper risky. We don't know if the project can sustain itself. Maybe, maybe not. Some people are a little bit disgruntled on Discord, okay? So watch out. Okay, be prepared. I'm doing this review because a lot of people have been asking me to look into nodes and make a review about it. That's why it's happening. All right, so let's look at the website. This is the link is in the description below. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, the price is coming soon. The market cap's coming soon. The total supply is 1.13 million. The name of the token is called Soldier. The symbol is SLD. And this is the contract number, so you can check that. Need to connect your wallet on Avalanche. Now, I'll show you where to buy it if you really want to do that. Okay, but first, okay, it says here you have to own 10 soldier tokens to create an army. Each army gives you 0.5 SLD every 24 hours. So here, the data has been updated. It used to say 1 soldier, now it's 0.5 soldiers. Okay. Also, they did an upgrade of the website. So if you are already invested in this, you need to go to upgrade to the new protocol. The information is in the Discord, so check in the Discord for that. But I'm just going to focus on new users right now. So there's a constitute type. So this is where you create your army. Okay, so you need to connect your account first, and you need to approve whatever tokens you've got here. And so you need 10 tokens to create the army. Here they didn't update. The rewards per day should say 0.5. And this is the button to claim your rewards. Okay. Then you have your army. So it tells you how many armies you've got, how many soldiers you've got, or your pending rewards, and all that jazz. And they have a world war that's coming soon. Trademark. Whatever that means. Let's say we go here and we click on buy on TraderJoe. We would come up here. And of course, we get this warning message from TraderJoe because it's a brand new token. TraderJoe is not familiar with it, and it wants to make sure that this is really the token that you want, because there are some scam tokens out there. Now, since we clicked directly from the website, it should be all right. So we click on I understand, and we click this. We're going to accept the update, whatever. There's been a lot of updates on TraderJoe lately. So let's say I don't know how many tokens we can buy with this. So if we had one AVAX token, we could buy 14 SLD tokens. Okay. So what's the price right now? If we check on CoinGecko, let me refresh. Okay, so it's 868 right now. So to buy 10, to buy an army, you need 10 of these tokens. So that'd be about $86, $87. Okay, to create a node or an army. All right, so it's not a huge amount of money, but it's still very risky. So if you just want to fool around and play and gamble, this is a gamble, okay? And you say, what the heck? I don't mind losing $87. Okay, you can play. All right, you can build yourself a little army. You buy 10 tokens and say, what the heck? Maybe I earn something, maybe I lose it all. Who knows, right? I mean, if you like to gamble and you find this exciting and fun, go for it. But I'm warning you right now, it's extremely risky. Extremely risky. Okay? So take it as a gamble. I don't consider this investment worthy. It's not a blue chip. Okay? But I don't know. Maybe it's the project is legit. Maybe not. And maybe it's going to become something good in the future. I have no idea. I didn't bring my crystal ball today, and I cannot tell the future. So, yeah. So if I wanted to buy 10 SLD tokens, I could do that, and it would cost me 0.69 AVAX tokens. I'm not going to do it. I'm not that excited about this project, to be honest. So, yeah, we saw this. Let's have a look at their Twitter. So this is their Twitter page. It's got the link to the website and the Discord. I strongly encourage you to join. As you can see, 9,000 followers on Twitter is not bad, and I believe there's like 13,000 followers on Discord. So it's a sizable community. It's a sizable community, and that's quite good. Okay, we're talking about, they have a Git book. Okay, they say they wanted to express themselves with honesty, transparency, and seriousness. So I had a look at it. There's not much information here, to be honest. So what are nodes? There's like 3 lines explaining what nodes are. Okay, it's very, very thin information here. Okay, very, 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 very basic. Okay, apparently a tutorial is on its way for the NFT armies. Waiting for that. All right, events, whatnot. Anyway, you can have a look at this in greater detail. They talk about their team. Okay, so it's like 7 people join forces to create this this little project. You know, we don't know much more about that than what their job descriptions are, their job titles are. So obviously they're all anonymous. They're not KYC'd. As far as I know, the funds are not protected. There's no multi-sig anywhere, and no audit on the horizon. I looked and I cannot find one. So again, very risky. Okay, so these are their the social media, and let's have a look at their Discord. So, you know, I search for multi-sig, I search for audit, KYC, docs, whatever, and nothing. A lot of people would like to have it, but I didn't see any messages from any of the people in charge saying that it's coming or not. So I'm guessing it's all right. So, okay. Apparently there were issues claiming rewards. Okay. I think it's because there's a migration from to the newer version. As you can see, this message is from today, just a few hours ago. Rewards have been officially reduced by 50%. Okay, so it's official. following the community vote. So they had a vote about this, and people wanted to reduce the reward. So read that before you decide to invest, because maybe they're going to reduce them again. I don't know. And here, apparently, some people are having problems with the migration and whatnot. So there are issues with the project. Okay. So once again, very risky, people. But you can check the general discussions and see what people are talking about and see if you feel that it's a good project or not. Your choice. All right, so that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Download the free book. The link is below. You click the link and then you put your name, your email address. You hit the submit button. There's a big fat button that says download the free book. And if you don't get that button, well, I updated the software, and now you should get an email with another download button. So now 2 download buttons. I'm hoping everybody gets their book. It's free. It's free. It's free. Okay. And if you don't like it for free, go to Amazon, give $5.99 to Jeff Bezos, and Jeff will send me a whole $1. All right. See you.